I got that one.
You get scared.
Yeah.
I guess they're sucking in there with the big milk.
Yeah. Or their respiratory system's just so unreal.
Good too.
If we could get a sneeze in there, that'd be excellent.
I'm having a party. Hi, I'm sure yesterday.